Hello everyone, and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we will be talking about a delicious and easy to make breakfast dish that you can prepare using just a few simple ingredients. This dish is called tomato, mayonnaise, chicken, bread, and lettuce. So, let's dive into the recipe and learn how to make this scrumptious meal. First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need for this breakfast dish. 1. For boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2. Salt and pepper to taste. 3. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 4 to medium ripe tomatoes, diced. 5. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. 6. 1/2 cup chopped chicken. 7. For slices of bread. 8. 2 leaves of lettuce. 9. Salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. Step 2. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or frying pan over medium heat. Add the chicken to the pan and cook until the edges are golden brown, about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add the diced tomatoes and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent the tomatoes from breaking apart. Step 4. Once the tomatoes have cooked down, add the mayonnaise and mix well with the chicken. Cook for another minute or 2 until the sauce thickens. Step 5. Return the chicken to the pan with the sauce and mix well to coat all the pieces evenly. Step 6. Place the bread and lettuce on a serving platter. Top each slice of bread with a piece of chicken and a spoonful of sauce. Step 7. Serve the tomato, mayonnaise, chicken, and bread with lettuce on the side, and enjoy your delicious and satisfying breakfast. This tomato, mayonnaise, chicken, bread, and lettuce breakfast dish is a perfect way to start your day. The combination of savory chicken, sweet tomatoes, tangy mayonnaise, crunchy bread, and crisp lettuce creates a satisfying and flavorful meal that's perfect for any time of the day. So, the next time you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast recipe, give this tomato, mayonnaise, chicken, bread, and lettuce a try.